When it comes to lessons learned, just a fundamental principle of it is I strongly believe that teams, organizations, communities, countries, groupings that are able to effectively capitalize on lessons learned are going to become the front runners in whatever setting they are, even individuals. Those lessons are often captured in our organization in standards and procedures, and many people brand them as red tape. I say it's a very good name for it, because what's the color of blood? Those lessons that people went through the trouble of writing down. They wrote it down after they mostly experienced something that either tears or I don't know, bad news, or they missed a bullet just by this much. So they are written in blood and adrenaline. That is where they came from. So it's quite arrogant for whoever comes after them to just make it off as, it's just red tape. We are not going to be bothered by it. So really, I think an awareness of the red tape and really respecting it for what it is important.